Hello and welcome back to LucasLack124. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. An unboxing video, you ask? Why are we doing an unboxing video? Well, we're doing an unboxing video for a very good reason. I got this thing. It's the C64 Mini, a console that can play 64 C64 games from the 1980s. However, you can also plug in your own USB devices and make it even better. Taking off the first piece of packaging, you can see that it is in a box. Yes, it is in a box. We gotta open the box to find another box. That's right. Inside a box, there's a box. When we pull out the box from the box from the box, we can see that there's also the container that it comes in. Yes, that's right, a container. Right here, we got this amazing little C64. Yes, an amazing little C64. We can open this up to take it out, and it is just that, a mini C64. Pretty sweet, huh? Okay. So the keyboard is non-functional, however, the keyboard of my real C64 is completely functional, and they did just come out with a new version of this. So yeah, let me get the stuff fixed up, and we'll do a comparison. Okay, so comparing the C64 to the C64. So this original Commodore 64, I believe it's a 1984 revision, has an amazing keyboard with special buttons on the side. For instance, this, they're really easy to see when I do this. You can see, for instance, the F2 and the F5 as such. Then we have this mini one. This one has none of that functionality, nothing on the sides of the keyboard, which is a big bummer. However, it's still completely usable. This one has a power LED. This one also has a power LED, but we'll get to turning it on in the future. Just lay that right there. So yes, this mini C64, it comes with two USB ports on one side as well as the power button. On the back, we have an amazing HDMI and power in cord. And then we also have, now for a look at what's in the rest of the box. Okay, so right here we have a micro USB cord for micro USB cording. We also have trash and a joystick, a C64 joystick. This seems mushy. Great. Lastly, but not least, we have this amazing HDMI cord. Not only do we have an HDMI cord, we also have a C64 Mini Quick Guide with the installation and such. Amazing. Okay. Let's open this up and put it on. Okay, this is what you get in the box with your C64 Mini. Pretty sweet, huh? It's like a mini version of the C64. Well, now on to stage 2 of the video. We're going to hook this thing up to my amazing monitor right here, and we're going to see how it works. And yes, that is Google. But what's that? It's a microphone! What? And this is being shot in 1080p 60 FPS on a Canon Rebel SL3? What is this madness? What is this madness?